Today, we are discussing a group of rights that all human beings should enjoy everywhere in the world. These include economic rights, cultural rights, social rights, and political rights. These rights should be understood together, not one by one, but collectively. They form a whole, and their meaning becomes clearer when they are seen as connected rather than separate. It is important to clarify from the beginning that this discussion is not intended to be a technical legal analysis. Although the subject of rights is closely linked to law and legal issues, the purpose here is different. The aim is to explore ideas and to understand those ideas in very basic and simple terms that are accessible to everyone. One key idea must be stated clearly at an early stage. These rights are indivisible. This means they cannot be separated from one another. If one right is weakened, other rights are affected as well. For example, it is not reasonable to say that a person can enjoy cultural rights, but be denied economic opportunities to support their family. Likewise, it is not reasonable to say that a person has the right to own a company, but does not have the right to disagree with lawmakers on certain issues. Rights work together, and denying one right often undermines others. In other words, people are not half persons. They are full persons. They are full persons with dignity, and they are full persons with rights. Recognizing this is essential for understanding the true meaning of human rights. When we speak about rights, we often begin with what is known as a legal statement. A legal statement is simply a clear message that explains what is recognized and what is expected. Many of these ideas originate from the work of the United Nations. Some are also discussed in the United States and in many other parts of the world. Over time, countries have signed and ratified agreements known as treaties. These treaties entail responsibilities. They are not just words on paper. They require action and commitment. Many resolutions related to human rights have been adopted by many countries, which is significant because it shows a shared commitment at the international level. There is no doubt that this widespread adoption represents a milestone. A milestone is a turning point, a moment that marks meaningful progress. It reflects the growing recognition that human rights matter and that they deserve protection and promotion. The goals of these rights are clear. They aim for social justice, fairness, and equal opportunity. They seek protection from harm and protection from exclusion. At the same time, they emphasize promotion. Promotion means helping individuals grow and enabling communities to develop. Needless to say, these goals do not achieve themselves automatically. They require concerted efforts from many actors, including governments, communities, and organizations. These efforts take place within a framework, which can be understood as a shared structure or a common way of organizing work. Within this framework, there are different jurisdictions, meaning different countries and legal spaces. There are also institutions such as ministries, councils, and courts. These institutions have mandates, which are their official responsibilities, and they carry out activities such as education, planning, and monitoring. Institutions are often urged to act more decisively. They are encouraged to review their policies, which include plans, rules, and directions. They are urged to address issues such as access, inequality, and participation. They are also encouraged to develop strategies, which are planned ways of moving forward. All of this must be done effectively, meaning that actions should lead to real results rather than remaining as promises. To a certain degree, progress has been made. However, challenges remain. It is therefore necessary to confront difficulties honestly, not with blame, but with clarity. Many reports indicate that progress varies considerably from one place to another. This uneven progress highlights the importance of cooperation. The international community recognizes that rights are closely connected to daily life, including work, education, culture, and participation in public affairs. There is no doubt that stronger cooperation can deepen understanding and strengthen trust among different actors. This is why many bodies issue recommendations. A recommendation provides guidance rather than force, and offers direction rather than obligation. These recommendations encourage positive steps that help create a favorable environment for the realization of rights. Put simply, positive action within a clear framework leads to more favorable outcomes. As facilitators, interpreters, and participants, the responsibility is shared. We must listen carefully, speak clearly, and work together. By doing so, we can move forward step by step, together.